Yeah? What do you want?
Oh, hi. A mechanic.
Do I look like a mechanic?
I don't know. Maybe.
You wouldn't catch me crawling around all under those old cars and all that grease over me.
Look, a car's broken down. I want to get out of here. I need a mechanic.
What's the hurry? You want a cup of coffee?
Yeah, all right.
How do you have it?
What about the mechanic?
We used to have one, but he ain't with us anymore.
Where is he?
Well, a matter of fact, he's across the road.
Well, I'll go and have a talk to him.
You can try, but you'll have to dig him up, because he's in the cemetery. Cheer up, son. I can put you up for the night.
What about a bus?
Thursday.
That's 2 days.
We can get to know each other.
2 days.
Real well.
Boy, maybe I could help with your troubles. Come over. Come on over and talk to the king of rock and roll. You know what I look when I see in your eyes, boys? You know what I see in your eyes? I see craziness. I see a free spirit, boy. You're just like me.
Yes, sir.
You know what I got out there, boy? I got me a '57 Cadillac, just like the kind I bought my mama Gladys. She's dead now. Well, see, you and I go and get in that car. We hit that highway. We'll be like Thelma and Louise. You be Thelma, I'll be Louise.
Sure. You only live once.